guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass top by Fibrobec. It's a Prospector Series. Fits the 99 to 07 Ford Super Duty with the 8-foot bed. It's burgundy in color. It's not in bad shape, but it just has a lot of clear coat issues. You can kind of see there's a lot of clear coat peel here, pretty much all the way through the thing. Top's a little dewy. Looks like but it's got clear coat peel all the way across the top. There's a couple scratches right there, and you can kind of see where the clear coat. It's pretty much missing all the clear coat. A couple spots still has clear coat, but not many. It's not in bad shape other than that, though. Not a lot of damage on this unit. It's clear coat peel between the two windows there. You can see the top. A little bit of a scratch mark right there. Just have the frameless tip-out windows on the side. Front has a sliding window in it. Kind of still see the clear coat peel all the way through there. The front looks the best because it's protected from the weather by the cab, but you don't see that part too much. Sliding window slides open so you can access the cab from the cap and the cap from the cab. Close that up, seal it back up again. Pretty much no clear coat on the top of this at all. Not a lot there's a small chip right there in the glass, but really not a lot of damage. Clear coat peel right there between the two windows. Nothing special. Frameless side windows on this side as well. Tip-out flipper window in the back. Single T-handle locking rear door. Looks pretty clean on the inside, so it doesn't look like it's leaking at all. This window, like I said, they flip open like that for a little ventilation. And you just flip the lever back, close the window back up like so. It's nice and clean in here. Serial number. And the same thing on this window as well. Pops open for ventilation and closes back up. There's wiring for the brake lights. The brake lights are all up there underneath the window. There it is, cab high fiberglass top by Fibrobec, the Prospector Series. Fits the 99 to 07 Ford Super Duty with the 8-foot bed. Burgundy in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, decked units, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching, and subscribe below.